here in Calasiao, Pangasinan, checking out a spot that's been creating a royal buzz. Kiiing, the frozen yogurt snack shop that lets you crown your cravings your way. The moment you walk in, you're greeted by this cool, preppy, modern aesthetic. Bright, fun, and definitely Instagram ready. But the real magic begins at their self-service snack bar, where you get to take the throne. Start by filling your cup with their creamy frozen yogurt. Then it's time to build your masterpiece. With over 30 toppings to choose from, dried fruits, biscuits, candies, sprinkles, and 12 delicious flavored sauces, the combinations are endless. Whether you go fruity, chocolatey, crunchy, or go all out, every cup is your own creation. And true to their tagline, Kiiing proudly serves the region's creamiest, tastiest, and best do-it-yourself frozen yogurt. A sweet escape that lets your taste buds rule. So if you're around Calasiao, Pangasinan, don't miss your chance to treat yourself like royalty. Drop by Kiiing and craft your perfect froyo crown. Darrell James approves!